Hello everybody and welcome back to Snake. Okay, what we're doing today is we're going to get our snake and we're going to make it so there's an end of the game. So we have our snake at the moment, he walks around the screen, but there's no way for the game to finish. Okay, and that's what we're going to work on there. We're going to put the end of game stuff in. Okay, there's a bit of code here, so make sure you pay attention. Initially it gets quite easy, but later on, just make sure you rewatch it a couple of times. Okay, so here's what we got. Basically want to do is when it touches the end, the game is over. So let's chuck the event in is from the start, just so we can know where we're working from. We're going to put a forever, and then if we're going to forever check something. Okay, what we're checking is if it's touching the edge. Okay, if that happens, we want everything to stop. Okay, now watch. We have our snake. Oh, he's already touching the edge. I have to move him back to the middle. Yep, there we go. So what we want to do is let him touch the edge and we'll see if everything stops. Good, everything stopped. Now the problem is here is now he's on the edge, I have to click and drag him back to the middle. So let's make it so we don't have to do that every time. Let's chuck our coordinates in. So basically we want it to start here. 0 and 0. And every time I push start now he's going to start at the middle. Okay, until he hits the end and it stops. Good. It's still not good enough, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to actually have a different screen for that. So we're going to click on backdrops and we're going to add a backdrop. Okay, and I'm going to paint that backdrop black. So I've got a white backdrop and a black backdrop. Okay, let's go back to backdrop 1, go to scripts, and go to bright 1. Okay, now this here is where we want to go. We're going to change the looks when this happens. So we're going to say switch to backdrop 2. Okay. And that means what's going to happen as we touch the edge, it's going to go to backdrop 2. Bang, backdrop 2. Now we've got a black screen for that. It's good. Now the problem is when we go back to 1, it's not going to go to backdrop 1. So let's go at the start of the game, switch to backdrop 1. There we go. It goes back white, goes back black. Fantastic. That makes our life a little bit easier. Now, we want to have it say game over when the game is over. So we're going to do that by getting a new sprite. We're going to select the white color because we've got a black backdrop. You don't want a black color. You're going to click and you're going to write game over. Okay, you can't really see it right now, but trust me, on a white backdrop, it'll look really good. Okay, and I'm just going to make sure that's center. Okay, now what we want to do with this backdrop, if we don't get rid of it first, it's always going to be there. So let's make sure we get rid of it. So we're going to go event, motion, no, looks. We want to show costume. We want to hide it at the start. Okay, and then we want to say if event when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, show. Okay, now in theory it should hide until it hits backdrop 2, shows. Okay, now awesome, we have a game over screen. But now we want the score. So let's quickly do a score. So what we want to do, I want to hide this stuff here most of the time. Okay, I'm going to go back to my original box and I'm going to hide it here. So let's go to data, hide that, hide that. Oh, it's starting to get crowded. Okay, now these won't be there. Oh, now these won't be there. Okay, but I want to have a score because if I don't know the score, well then that gets annoying. How long we got? No, we'll leave it there. I'll show you how to create the score in the next video. Thank you very much.